The idea that telling the truth destroys speculation is a powerful and vivid metaphor. It paints speculation not as hard fact, but as a substance, a fog, a house of cards, a web that cannot withstand the solid, immutable weight of truth. Imagine a room filled with a thick fog. In that fog, shapes are distorted. A coat rack might look like a lurking figure. A dim light might seem like a ghost. This is speculation. It is bred from uncertainty, partial information, and imagination. It grows in the dark spaces where truth is absent. People whisper, connect dots that may not be related, and build narratives that feel true because they fill the void. Now, imagine throwing open the windows to let in the full, blazing sun. The fog burns away instantly. The shapes are revealed for what they are. There is no more debate about the lurking figure. It is clearly a coat rack. This is the moment of truth-telling. The clear, direct, and honest statement acts like that sunlight. It doesn't argue with the fog, it simply dissolves it by replacing ambiguity with clarity. How it works. 1. It removes the fuel. Speculation runs on unknowns. Truth provides the known. Once a fact is established, the mind has nowhere to go but to accept it or consciously deny it. The playful what-ifs lose their foundation. 2. It collapses narratives. Elaborate speculative stories are often intricate but fragile. A single, verified fact can serve as a keystone. Pulling it out by proving it false with truth causes the entire speculative structure to tumble down. 3. It shifts the energy. In an environment of speculation, energy is spent on detective work, guesswork, and anxiety. Truth redirects that energy. The conversation shifts from what might be happening to, now that we know, what shall we do about it? The courage and cost. The metaphor also hints at why truth-telling can be difficult. The fog of speculation can sometimes feel more comfortable than the harsh, revealing light of truth. The truth may expose uncomfortable facts, damage reputations, or force change. It requires courage to be the one who opens the windows, knowing the initial glare may be blinding and unsettling to those accustomed to the fog. The power of silence. This metaphor beautifully illustrates why silence or no comment so often fuels rampant speculation. Without the sun of truth, the fog inevitably thickens. In personal, professional, and public life, understanding this dynamic is key to managing trust and perception. In essence, the truth destroys. Speculation metaphor is ultimately about the restorative power of clarity. It champions honesty not just as a moral virtue, but as a practical tool for cutting through confusion, resolving conflict, and restoring a shared reality. It reminds us that while speculation is an inevitable human pastime, truth is its natural and necessary end. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh, for your courage and caring spirit. You have accepted a challenge to fight, and you have emerged out of it with Victory with Ash platform, which embodies who you are.